few addresses in Gurgaon doesn't need an introduction, and trust me guys, this is one of those addresses which doesn't need any introduction. Hi guys, Ruchika this side from Presto Estate DLF Phase 1 और आज जो आपको घर दिखा रही हूँ वो है DLF Phase 1 में. DLF Phase 1 the heart of Gurgaon, I must say. 24 meter wide road पे ये floor available है. Beautiful location, amazing address. Let me just show you this lovely property around. So ये है 360 square DLF Phase 1. I won't call it a 4 BHK but 3+1. आपको कार पार्किंग मिलती है, स्टिल्ट एरिया मिलता है, सर्वेंट एरिया मिलता है, पावर बैकअप मिलता है, 24 मीटर वाइड रोड पे ये लोकेशन मिलती है. DLF Phase 1 में मिलते हैं. So you know guys, this is gonna be an amazing property. I'm gonna show you. So ये है हमारा center of the house. यहाँ से हमारी entrance थी. Bang on opposite. It's a very beautiful wall created for maybe your puja area or anything which you would love to have it. यहाँ पे हमारी किचन आती है, यहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट बेडरूम एंड पाउडर रूम आता है, बैक में हमारे 3 बेडरूम्स आते हैं. दिस इज गोना बी योर ड्राइंग एरिया, योर डाइनिंग एरिया, प्रीटी ह्यूज एंड स्पेशियस. फ्रंट में आपको आपकी रनिंग बैल्कनी आएगी एंड ऑफ कोर्स एन अमेजिंग व्यू ऑफ DLF Phase 1 you will get. Very nicely made marble work. Everything is of a very premium quality used क्योंकि लोकेशन इतनी प्रीमियम है कि आप क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर ही नहीं सकते. This is gonna be your powder room. Let me just show you the bedrooms at the back and then हम फ्रंट में किचन एंड फ्रंट बेडरूम देखेंगे. So this is gonna be your first bedroom. Very spacious. वेरी नाइसली बिल्ट. बैक में भी आपको रनिंग बैल्कनी मिलेगी. रूम्स में आपकी अलमीराज मिलेंगी, आपको एयर कंडीशन मिलेगा, ब्यूटीफुल बैक बेड मिलेगा, आपको वॉशरूम्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. और कहीं रूम्स में आपको अलमीराज अंदर मिलेंगे, कहीं पे बाहर है. बिकॉज ऑफ 360 स्क्वायर यार्ड को हम डिवीजन ऐसे होती है कि कहीं में किसी बेडरूम हर वॉशरूम में आपको अलमीराज नहीं दी जाती. दिस इज़ गोना बी आवर अटैच्ड वॉशरूम विद योर shower panel area, your WC seat and your basin. It's pretty spacious, very nice, very basic colors of creams have been played throughout the house, giving it a very classy and a very elegant look. Now let me take you to the second bedroom. ये है हमारा second bedroom, as spacious and big as the one which I showed you just now. काफ़ी अच्छी spacing है, layout बहुत अच्छा है, अलमीराज इसमें भी आपको अंदर मिलेंगी and then we have an amazing washroom attached to it. पीछे running balcony मिलेगी जो मैं भी आपको third bedroom से दिखाती हूँ. This is gonna be our washroom. Very spacious, very well, like I said starting में कि this is gonna be your 3+1. This is a bedroom but this is entirely not that spacious but it has lot of cupboards, of amazing washroom. काफ़ी बड़ा spacious washroom है. But अगर मैं bedroom की length ढूंढूँ तो I think it can be converted into a TV room or a very small kids bedroom, maybe your puja room, your meditation room. But this has a little ये वाला particular room थोड़ा छोटा है but it has everything. बच्चों का रूम बहुत अच्छा बन सकता है but अब अगर हम दूसरे बाकी रूम से कंपेयर करें तो this is small but it has everything. Now let me take you to the back of the balcony. So ये हमारी back balcony है, very spacious and as you can see fully protected from all the sides. इधर हमारा washing area काफ़ी बड़ा है. This is pretty huge and spacious running balcony है. Back में washing area आता है. चारों तरफ से आपको secured है. DLF Phase 1 की security वैसे ही बहुत top notch है. Now let me take you to the front of the house, front bedroom, the master bedroom and the kitchen. So this is let me show you the master bedroom. Very huge, long and elevated master bedroom with your balcony attached in the front. A beautiful and a super huge washroom with it. Lots of cupboards and your dressing area. Now here comes ये अगर हम पूरा देखें तो बहुत सारी cupboards थी and this is going to be your shower panel area. Beautiful work. आपको अंदर ही काफ़ी अगर इसको master bedroom दिया तो इसके washroom को पूरा justify किया है with your walking wardrobes and lots of cupboards inside. बहुत अच्छे से एक एक कॉर्नर को स्पेसिंग करी हुई है. Whites and greys have been played in this washroom, and as you can see lots. So ये है हमारी फ्रंट बैल्कनी विद एन अमेजिंग व्यू, बहुत सारी ग्रीनरी एंड सुकून. Last but not the least, let me just show you this amazing kitchen around, very well equipped kitchen. Combinations of the blue and white have been paid. Very spacious kitchen this is, with all your OTG oven, chimney, hub, lots of vanity drawers, lots of spacing, very nicely built. Air condition की यहाँ पे आपको space मिलेगी, geyser installed मिलेंगे, आपको dishwasher मिलेगा. And what else you need, guys? Let me just sum up this amazing property for you in few words. DLF Phase 1 की prime location पे 24 मीटर की सड़क पे 360 square yard 4 BHK आपको मिलेगा with fully equipped kitchen, amazing work, no compromise in the quality, and one of the best location with your stilt car parking, your lift, your servant quarter. And what else you need, guys? Come visit this one and many other options we have in store for you. Prestige is there to help you with all your inquiries. Please feel free to call us at 7424 001 000. Till we meet in our next house tour, signing off for now. Ta-da!